Hello and welcome to Word Work. Today we are going to learn the names of some popular vegetables and one interesting fact about each one. Let's get started. Artichokes. Artichokes are actually flower buds that produce some beautiful purple flowers. Arugula. Arugula has a peppery taste and has been grown since Roman times. Asparagus. Asparagus is one of the first vegetables to be harvested in the spring. Bean sprouts. Bean sprouts are rich in vitamin C. Beetroot. Beetroot is known for its deep red color and is often used as a natural dye. Bell peppers. Bell peppers can be green, red, yellow, or orange. Bitter melon. Bitter melon has a unique bumpy texture and is often used in Asian cuisine. Bok choy. Bok choy is a type of Chinese cabbage and is packed with vitamins A and C. Broccoli. Broccoli is known as a superfood because it is high in many nutrients. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts grow on a stalk and look like tiny cabbages. Butternut squash. Butternut squash has a sweet, nutty flavor and is rich in vitamin A. Cabbage. Cabbage leaves can be green, red, or white and are used in many dishes around the world. Carrots. Carrots can be orange, purple, yellow, or even white and are good for your eyesight. Cauliflower. Cauliflower can be white, green, or purple and can be mashed, roasted, or even made into pizza crust. Celery. Celery is crunchy and low in calories, making it a great snack. Chard. Chard is also known as Swiss chard, has colorful stems that are red, yellow, or white. Chayote. Chayote is a green wrinkled squash that is popular in Mexico and Central America. Chicory. Chicory leaves are often used in salads, and its roots can be roasted and used as a coffee substitute. Chive. Chives are related to onions and garlic and add a mild onion flavor to dishes. Collard greens. Collard greens are rich in vitamins and minerals and are a staple in southern cooking. Corn. Corn is actually a type of grass and comes in many colors, including yellow, white, blue, and purple. Cucumber. Cucumbers are 95% water, making them very hydrating. Daikon radish. Daikon radish is a long white radish that is often used in Asian cuisine. Dandelion greens. Dandelion greens have more vitamins and minerals than most vegetables. Dill. Dill is used in pickling and seasoning dishes. Eggplant. Eggplants come in many shapes and colors, including purple, white, and striped. Endive. Endive is a type of leafy green that is slightly bitter and often used in salads. Fennel. Fennel has a mild licorice flavor and is a good source of vitamins A, B, and C. Garlic. Garlic is known for its strong flavor and many health benefits. Green beans. Green beans are also known as string beans and are the third most common home garden vegetable. Green onions. Green onions, also known as scallions, have a milder taste than regular onions and can be eaten raw or cooked. Horseradish. Horseradish, known for its pungent taste, is often used to make sauces and condiments. Jalapenos. Jalapenos are medium-sized chili peppers, known for their mild to moderate heat. Jicama. Jicama is a root vegetable with a crunchy texture and a slightly sweet taste. Kale. Kale is a leafy green that is very nutritious and can be eaten raw or cooked. Leeks. Leeks are related to onions and garlic and have a mild sweet flavor. Lettuce. Lettuce is a common leafy green used in salads and comes in many varieties. Mushroom. Mushrooms are fungi and come in many varieties, each with a unique flavor and texture. Mustard greens. Mustard greens have a spicy flavor and are rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Napa cabbage. Napa cabbage is a type of Chinese cabbage that is often used in kimchi and stir fries. Okra. Okra, also called ladyfinger, is known for its slimy texture and is often used in soups and stews. Onion. Onions are used in many dishes around the world and can be eaten raw or cooked. Parsnip. Parsnips look like white carrots and have a sweet, nutty flavor. Potatoes. Potatoes are a staple food and can be prepared in many ways, including mashed, baked, and fried. Pumpkin. Pumpkins are not just for Halloween. They are also delicious and nutritious. Radicchio. Radicchio is a type of chicory with red leaves and a slightly bitter taste. Radish. Radishes are crunchy and peppery and may come in many colors, including red, white, and purple. Red cabbage. Red cabbage has a vibrant color and is often used in salads and slaws. Rosemary. Rosemary is often used to flavor meats and vegetables. Shallots. Shallots are related to onions and garlic and have a milder, sweeter flavor. Snap peas. Snap peas are sweet and crunchy and can be eaten raw or cooked. Snow peas. Snow peas are often used in stir fries. Soybeans. Soybeans are used to make many products, including tofu, soy milk, and edamame. Spinach. Spinach is rich in iron and can be eaten raw or cooked. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are sweet and nutritious and can be orange, white, or purple. Tomato. Tomatoes come in many varieties and colors. Turnip. Turnips are root vegetables that can be eaten raw or cooked and have a slightly peppery taste. Watercress. Watercress is a leafy green with a peppery taste and is often used in salads and sandwiches. Yam. Yams are similar to sweet potatoes, but are starchier and have a different flavor. Zucchini. Zucchini is a type of summer squash that can be eaten raw or cooked. And that's a wrap for today, word workers. Now you know the names and some interesting facts about these amazing vegetables. Remember to eat your veggies and stay healthy. See you next time on Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word.